Hey everyone, welcome back to RS Computer Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux, WSL2, on Windows 11. Open Start. Search for Turn Windows Features on or off, and click the top result to open the page. Check the Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Subsystem for Linux option. Click the OK button. Now restart your computer. After restart, open Command Prompt as administrator. Execute the following command. Follow on-screen instruction for Update Linux. Check WSL version. After we are done enabling their Virtual Machine Platform feature, we can go to the Microsoft Store. Open the Store app from the Start menu. Search for the distro name you want to install. Click the Get button. After the install process completes, you will see a Start menu shortcut for Linux. Now you can start using Linux directly on your Windows machine. You can install packages, run scripts, even build software, all from WSL. And that's it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Windows tutorials. Thank you.